Daniel's journey is one I'll never forget.
Lori came to us seeking food assistance from our pantry.
Kelly was facing a series of life-altering challenges.
Anne arrived at our adult day center when she was 72 years old.
Paul started to believe in himself more and more.
He felt the warmth of people who never gave up on him.
I think that our highest calling is to help others. Helping someone in need restores and strengthens our own faith.
I felt as if the wisdom and traditions of our faith had come to life right in front of me.
I handed out more than supplies that day. I saw through another's eyes, and I remembered what it means to love, to serve, and to be the neighbor somebody needs.
As a Catholic, I believe offering service to others in need with kindness and compassion is a fundamental teaching of my faith.